Hi, I'm Divya Sharma, also known as Dr. Bowl, and welcome to Small Budget, Big Flavours, where I'll be showing you how to combine great food and fine dining all in a cost-effective way. And today I'm going to be showing you how to cook a really delicious vegan curry. I'll be making a kadala curry. This is also known as a chickpea curry. It's a classic South Indian dish that includes 3 of your 5 a day, and it's packed full of nutrition. So let's get cooking. So now we're ready to make our paste. So the first step over medium heat is just pop some oil in, and then 1 chopped onion, and some chilli. I'm using fresh chilli, but you could use dry chilli. Give that a really good stir, and we just want to brown the onions, so it's going to take about 8 minutes. Now our onions are nice and brown, I'm going to transfer it to a bowl, and then we're ready for the next step. So to complete our paste, we just need to put some ingredients in the blender and it's done. It's that easy. So I'm just popping in our soft onions into the blender, and some ginger, and 9 garlic cloves because I love garlic, but you could always use less, and our spices. And some tomato puree. And we're ready to give that a good blitz. So now our paste is ready. It should be a smooth consistency. And I'm just going to transfer the paste into the pan, and I'm using the same pan. And we're just going to cook this paste on medium heat. Just keep mixing it, trying not to burn. So now we've cooked our paste for about 2 minutes, we're ready to add the chickpeas and the tomatoes. So I'm using 2 cans of chickpeas and some tomatoes. And we just need to give this a really good mix. So we mix in the paste, the tomatoes and the chickpeas, and keep stirring until everything's nicely coated. So now our curry has been simmering for about 6 minutes. I'm just going to give it a quick taste just to make sure the seasoning's okay. Perfect. So we can add in the rest of our ingredients. So we've got some chopped spinach, some coriander, and some creamed coconut. And give that a really good mix, and we need to cook this until our spinach is wilted and the creamed coconut is all melted into the curry. You may need to increase the heat just a tad for this stage. So if you find your sauce is just a little bit thick, you could add some water to thin it down a little. So I'm just going to add a tablespoon and give that a good mix. If you want your sauce to be thinner, you could add more water. And we just need to cook this for a further 5 minutes and our curry is done. This curry is packed full of flavour, and it only takes 25 minutes to make. If you're looking to introduce more plant-based meals into your diet, then this recipe is perfect for you. I'm serving mine with some rice, but you could have it with some naan or chapatis. Either way, you've got a winning dish. Now I'm ready to serve this to my family, just with an extra bit of garnish of coriander. That is amazing.